Hey, this is Ryan from Mesa. I wanted to walk you through a workflow starting with the customer updated event in Shopify. It's pretty powerful. You can do a lot when a customer update event occurs. You could update your CRM so it's always accurate. You could re-engage your customers when they update their profile details, or simply update their opt-in status with your enterprise's email management system. It's all really easy with Mesa. So I wanted to show you that. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a new workflow here and select the Shopify app. And then I'm going to search all these triggers for customer updated and choose start. So that starts my workflow. So every time a customer update event occurs, maybe I want to filter against something here. So I'm going to actually use the Filter by Mesa app. That's a built-in app. And in this case, or in this example, let's maybe look at tags. So I'm going to look at the available variables and choose tags. And I'm looking for a very particular tag. We'll just call it your tag. It can literally be anything, but this is now configured so that every time a customer update event occurs, we're going to go ahead and filter and look for a very specific tag and then go do something. So now I can simply click an action and move that customer data perhaps anywhere. Maybe I want to move it to my CRM in Salesforce. Maybe address update information can go to recharge or move that data over into Google Sheets. Really anything is possible at that point. So enjoy creating that workflow. Be sure to save and enable it and contact us if you have any questions.